Okay, few housekeeping rules. Please don't leave your slippers and sandals out just on the floor. Please put them in the shelves. And also, I know everybody is hungry and in the mood for snacking and chatting outside, but today is we are gathering here to celebrate Vasant Jayanti, and people have put so much of efforts in making this program. If you could all please come inside, stay here, and encourage the performers, that would be really great. Thank you so much. Calling on Samanvi again.
Presentation called Suvarnamala Sotram is a soulful music offering inspired by the timeless works of Sri Adi Shankaracharya. All the wonderful ladies practice the song under the able guidance of Srimati Rupa Jaydev. To introduce this divine composition, we welcome Srimati Arpita Shivakumar to the stage. It's been a while since I've been addressed as Srimati. Anyway, Namaskara. Um, we are here to present a composition by one of the greatest philosophers of all time, Jagat Guru Sri Adi Shankaracharya. Suvarnamala literally translates into golden garland. And in this hymn, Shankaracharya has woven a beautiful golden garland of words, each a precious petal of devotion for Lord Shiva. The hymn has 50 verses. The first half praises the Lord's glory, and the second half speaks about the surrender at Shiva's feet. We are going to be presenting 15 of those verses. We hope that it will bring peace and auspiciousness to this event. Please join us in spirit. Rupa Jani has taught us very well, but we hope to make her proud. She's not here with us, but we will try to sing as well as she has taught us. Presenting Suvarna Mala Stotra. शिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् अन्तःकरणविशुद्धिं भक्तिं सत्त्वै सतीं प्रदेहि विभो साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् करुणावरुणालय महिदासौदासस्तवोचितो नैवो साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः नमः शिवाय शिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् जुडुतक जुङ्किडु जुडुतर्किटतक शास्त्रय नटसि महानटको साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् धर्मस्थापन दक्ष द्रक्ष कुलो दक्ष यज्ञ शिक्षको साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः नमः शिवाय आरोग्यं चायुर्मत्पुनरुद्धामिरं प्रदेहि विभो साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् भगवन्तत्त्वमयापहभूतपते भूषिभूषिताङ्गविभो साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् आहाऊमुखसुरगायकगीताकलानपत्यविभो साम्ब सदा शिव शम्भो शङ्कर शरणं मे तव चरणयुगम् शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमः नमः शिवाय
Whether possible